Exploring du jour, unveiling the meaning behind the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that crosses language barriers, du jour. This phrase, originating from French, is used in English to describe something that is particularly notable or popular at the current moment. Let's unfold the layers of du jour and understand how to use it effectively in our conversations. The term du jour is a borrowing from French, where it literally means of the day. It's used in English to denote something that is fashionable, current, or trending. Originally related to the menu items in restaurants that were special for the day, its usage has expanded widely in English to cover broader concepts beyond food. In English, du jour is often used to signify the fleeting nature of trends or fashions. It can be attached to almost anything to denote its temporary prominence. For example, fashion du jour, referring to the current fashion trend. Word du jour, talking about a word that has recently become popular or widely used. This phrase captures the essence of how quickly trends can come and go in our fast-paced world. Using du jour is simple once you understand its connotation of temporariness and trendiness. Here's how you can incorporate it into your conversations. To talk about trends, the style du jour is all about sustainability. To discuss popular topics, the debate du jour revolves around digital privacy. Remember, it's a flexible phrase that lends a touch of sophistication to your dialogue. Let's look at some sentences to see du jour in action. Soup du jour, please. I'd like to try today's special. The tech gadget du jour is already out of stock due to high demand. These examples illustrate the phrase's versatility in both its original culinary context and its broader application. And that's du jour for you. A little slice of French that adds flavor to English conversations about the current trends and topics. It reminds us of how languages blend and evolve, enriching our expressions and communications. I hope this video helps you confidently use du jour in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next language adventure.